This is the envelope that I got from YidaStore, where I ordered these 100 JFETs, pay channel JFETs of type 2SJ74BL. I have demonstrated with the pictures that this transistor tester can clearly detect that these are counterfeit items. I want to show you the difference. I don't have any other P channel JFETs, but I do have another JFET channel. This is to show that the transistor tester does work and can detect the difference between a JFET and other types of transistors. My camera cannot focus on the type number, but you have to understand that this is labeled the 2SK170. These are N-channel JFETs, so another type as this one, but they do detect JFETs as demonstrated by the tester here. And I can close up a little bit with my camera, not very close, but I can show you that this now shows an N-channel JFET. If I do the same with the other transistors, the ones that I ordered from YidaStore, you will see that the picture shows that these are not JFETs, but in fact are PNP channel, so bipolar transistors. That's what they show, PNP transistors. So they can't be any close to the JFETs that I order, and these are clearly counterfeits.